Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I want to teach some more problems based on sine rule. Let us see what is sine rule. Sine rule. In triangle ABC, A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R, where R is circumradius. Capital R is circumradius. From this, we can write A by sin A is equal to 2R, B by sin B is equal to 2R, and C by sin C is also equal to 2R, and A is equal to 2R sin A, B is equal to 2R sin B, and C is equal to 2R sin C. And the other form is sin A is equal to A by 2R, and sin B is equal to B by 2R, and sin C is equal to C by 2R. These are the three forms of sine rule, and these formulas are called as sine rules or law of sines. Okay, let us see some problems. And the next question is, in triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square is equal to sine of b minus c by sine of b plus c. Consider the LHS part. B square minus c square by a square. This is equal to, from sine rule we know that small a is equal to 2r sin A, small b equal to 2r sin B, and small c equal to 2r sin C. By substituting those three values, we get LHS part. B square means 2r sin B whole square minus c square means 2r sin C whole square by a square means 2r sin A whole square. Okay, this is equal to 4r square sin square B minus 4r square sin square C by 4r square sin square A, 4r square sin square A. This is equal to, in numerator, consider 4r square as common, so which is equal to 4r square into sin square B minus sin square C by 4r square into sin square. A means 180 minus of B plus C. Since in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180, that's why A is equal to 180 minus of B plus C. So here 4r square gets cancelled, and in numerator sin square B minus sin square C means sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C by, in denominator, sin square of 180 minus of B plus C means sin square of B plus C. Since sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So here sin of B plus C and sin of B plus C gets cancelled. This is equal to sin of B minus C by sin of B plus C, sin of B minus C by sin of B plus C. Therefore, B square minus C square by A square is equal to sin of B minus C by sin of B plus C. Okay. Next question is, if A square plus B square by A square minus B square is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B, then prove that triangle ABC is either isosceles or right angled. Consider A square plus B square by A square minus B square is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. Okay, from sine rule we know that A equal to 2r sin A and B equal to 2r sin B. By substituting those two values we get 2r sin A whole square plus 2r sin B whole square by A square minus B square means 2r sin A whole square minus 2r sin B whole square. 2r sin B whole square. This is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. Sin C by sin of A minus B, which is equal to 4r square sin square A plus 4r square sin square B by 4r square sin square A minus 4r square sin square B. 4r square sin square B is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. Sin C by sin of A minus B. Both in numerator and denominator taking 4r square as common, from 4r square into sin square A plus sin square B by 4r square into sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. So here 4r square gets cancelled. This is equal to sin square A plus sin square B by sin square A minus sin square B means sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. Sin C by sin of A minus B. This is equal to sin square A plus sin square B by sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin of C sin C by sin of A minus B. In both denominators, sin of A minus B gets cancelled. That means sin of A minus B is equal to 0. And the remaining part is sin square A plus sin square B by sin of A plus B means 180 minus C. Since A plus B plus C is equal to 180. This is equal to sin C. Okay. Sin square A plus sin square B by sin 180 minus C means sin C. This is equal to sin C. From this we can write sin square A plus sin square B is equal to, by cross multiplication we get sin square C. Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to sin square C. From sine rule we know that sin A is equal to A by 2r. Sin square A means A by 2r whole square plus sin square B means B by 2r whole square. This is equal to sin square C means C by 2r whole square, which is equal to A square by 4r square plus B square by 4r square is equal to C square by 4r square. Okay. From this we can write A square plus B square by 4r square equal to C square by 4r square. 4r square gets cancelled on both sides, and the remaining part is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Okay, it indicates angle C is equal to 90 degrees. C square equal to a square plus b square means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here this is C and A, B, like this. C square equal to A square plus B square. That means the triangle is right angled at C. It indicates angle C is equal to 90 degrees. And already we have sine of A minus B equal to 0. That means A minus B is equal to 0. Since 0 means sine 0, hence sine of A minus B equal to sine 0. By equating both sides, we get A minus B equal to 0. From this, we can write A is equal to B. It indicates triangle ABC is isosceles. And from here, we know that angle C is equal to 90 degrees. From these two conditions, we conclude that therefore triangle ABC is either isosceles or right angle. Either isosceles or right angle. Okay. Next question is, if the angles of triangle ABC are in AP and B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2, then show that angle A is equal to 75 degrees. We are given that angles of a triangle. That means capital A, capital B, capital C are in AP. That means ABC are in arithmetic progression. From this, we can write 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B equal to A plus C. This is equal to 2B equal to A plus C means 180 minus B. Since A plus B plus C is equal to 180. From this, we can write 2B plus B is equal to 180. That means 3B equal to 180. From this, B is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60. Angle B is equal to 60. Given that ABC are in AP, that means 2B is equal to A plus C, and A plus C means 180 minus B. Since A plus B plus C is equal to 180. From that, we can write 3B equal to 180, hence B is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and we are also given that small b is to small c is equal to root 3 is to root 2. It can be written as b by c is equal to root 3 by root 2. B by C is equal to root 3 by root 2. From sine rule, we know that small v is equal to 2r sine b and small c is equal to 2r sine c. By substituting those two, we get 2r sine b by 2r sine c is equal to root 3 by root 2. Here 2r gets cancelled and we substitute b is equal to 60 degrees. We get sine 60 degrees by sine c is equal to root 3 by root 2. And we know that sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 by sine c is equal to root 3 by root 2. Here root 3 gets cancelled. We get 1 by 2 sine c. 1 by 2 sine c is equal to 1 by root 2. By cross multiplication, we get 2 sine c is equal to root 2 and sine c is equal to root 2 by 2. This is equal to root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Here root 2 cancel then sin C is equal to 1 by root 2, and we know that 1 by root 2 means sin 45 degrees. 1 by root 2 means sin 45 degrees. By equating these two terms, we get angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Already we prove angle B is equal to 60, and here we get angle C is equal to 45 degrees. And we know that in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. From this, angle A is equal to 180 minus of B plus. 180 minus of B plus. This is equal to 180 minus of B means 60 and C means 45. This is equal to 180 minus of 60 plus 45 means 105, and which is equal to 180 minus 105 means 75 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 75 degrees. Angle A is equal to 75 degrees. Okay. Next question is, if A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 8R square, then prove that the triangle is right angle. Given that A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 8R square. Here we want to prove the triangle ABC is right angle. From sine rule, we know that small a is equal to 2r sin A and small b is equal to 2r sin B, small c equal to 2r sin C. By substituting those three values, we get 2r sin A whole square plus 2r sin B whole square plus 2r sin C whole square is equal to 8r square. From this, we can write 4r square sin square A plus 4r square sin square B plus 4r square sin square C is equal to 8r square. Here, taking 4r square as common, we get 4r square into sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 8r square. Here 4r square gets cancelled and 4 ones 4 2 times cancel. So this is equal to sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 2. Okay. Here sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A plus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 2. It can be written as 1 minus of cos square A minus sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 2. This is equal to 1 minus of cos square A minus sin square B means cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. For this purpose, we convert sin square A into 1 minus cos square A, and taking minus as common, we get cos square A minus sin square B. That means cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B plus sin square C is equal to 2. 1 minus of cos of A plus B means 180 minus C into cos of A minus B plus sin square C is equal to 2, and we know that cos of 180 minus theta means minus cos theta. So here 1 minus of minus plus, and cos 180 minus C means minus cos C into cos of A minus B plus sin square C means 1 minus cos square C. This is equal to 2. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus, from second and fourth terms, taking cos C as common, we get cos C into cos of A minus B minus cos C is equal to 2. Here on both sides 2 gets cancelled. Cos C into cos of A minus B minus cos C means 180 minus of A plus B. This is equal to 0. Okay, cos C into cos of A minus B, and cos of 180 minus of A minus B means minus cos of A plus B. So here cos of A minus B minus of minus plus cos of A plus B is equal to 0. Cos C into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B means 2 cos A cos B equal to 0. This is equal to 2 cos A cos B cos C equal to 0. From this we can write cos A cos B cos C is equal to 0. Product of three terms is equal to 0. That means if any one of this product is equal to 0, automatically the total product is also equal to 0. So here either cos A equal to 0 or cos B equal to 0 or cos C equal to 0, and we know that 0 is equal to cos 90. So cos A equal to cos 90 or cos B equal to cos 90 or cos C is equal to cos 90. Cos C is equal to cos 90. Then by comparing both sides we get angle A is equal to 90 or angle B is equal to 90 or angle C is equal to 90. Any one of the angle in a triangle ABC is equal to 90. Hence we conclude that the triangle ABC is right angled. The triangle ABC is right angled. Okay, the triangle ABC is right angled. Okay, therefore if A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 8R square, then the triangle ABC is right angle. Okay, thank you.